Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a freebie alert video, and it's just going to be a short video to tell you that Debenhams have got their freebie of the month available at the moment. As always, if you're new to this beauty club box, I'll give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to see what you can get inside this month's box, then I'll have a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So Debenhams Beauty Club then is a UK only offer. You have to be a member of the beauty club. If you're not already, it's easy to do. You can either sign up online, I'll pop a link down below, or you can go into your local Debenhams and ask to sign up to their beauty club that way. Go to a perfume counter, as that's the more likely place that you're able to do it. It's free to sign up. It's just like a little points card, that like what you get in, say, Tesco's or Superdrug. It's just you sign up for a card, use your card, you get points then transfer into money and things like that. So, but with that card, you can then pick up these freebies. Now, they release them roughly once a month, sometimes twice a month. I've just been told this morning that there's another one coming out. This one came out last Friday. They're still in my local Debenhams and it's Friday now. So when I said about the other one that has just come out, which is a Givenchy mascara, the lady said that they haven't received them yet. So maybe they're like a week behind. I'm not sure how that works with all your Debenhams, but it's definitely worth going there now. And you will either get the Givenchy mascara or you'll get this ELEMIS product. So hopefully you'll either get one of those. Always go to the perfume counter and show your card and bring a screenshot with you, because some people just pop on to the counter to help out while the normal people are on their break or lunch, etc. So just in case the person on the counter doesn't have a clue what you're on about, have a screenshot with you so that you're able to say, look, and it's usually behind the counter. There's loads of them all stacked up behind the counter, so just pass that way. So they can bring out samples quite regularly, but generally it is definitely once a month, and it's usually the last Friday of every month as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything, I will pop it down below. So underneath this video, click on show more, and that'll bring up the description and it'll all be down there. So let's open it up and show you what you get inside. It's only little, but it's free. So it's definitely worth doing. Even if you don't necessarily shop in Debenhams, sign up for the card and pop in when you're there next to get some freebies. I love this, absolutely love it. We've got some cards there which I'll show you. It's ELEMIS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it's anti-wrinkle day cream, anti-aging, and it's 15 mils. So that's what it looks like there. Love, love, love this product. It's so lightweight, it absorbs into my skin beautifully. It is quite expensive to buy, unfortunately. So when I see products like this, especially if they're free, yeah, I love it, absolutely love it. So what do these cards say? A gift for you, £15 off your ELEMIS facial. Join us in store for £15 off your Pro Collagen facial and discover the power of Pro Collagen. So there's that. And then it's just got the little cards just telling you all about the Debenhams Beauty Club. You've got some information there. So that's it. So a very short video. If you haven't signed up for their beauty card, I would definitely recommend you do it. Even if you don't get there every single month, it's just something to have in your wallet. And then if you're ever passing a Debenhams and they have got free samples at that time, then yeah, it's definitely just getting it to see what is there. So this is one of them. If I can get my hands on the Givenchy one, I will post that up on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see if I could do a quick little video to show you, to tell you all about it as well, just in case you're not on like my Facebook page and Instagram, which is exactly the same name as this, Diaryofabeautygeek. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.